As you can see right there, Monday, June 26, 2017. That's my name, Adriana Villegas. I'm going to go ahead and show you $802 already today, okay? And I haven't even been using my smartphone to do business today. It's literally running for me 24/7. I can be out and about. I literally went out and hung out with my sister today, had some lunch. What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Check out this gorgeous view. And you're here because you want to learn how to make extra money online. Is it really possible? And the answer is yes. All we're doing here is copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, right? Every single time somebody joins your team, you get paid 100% commission. This is a direct sell system. You don't have to have any experience whatsoever because I show you on my step-by-step training exactly how to skyrocket with your business. So if you are tired of struggling, if you're tired of being in debt, if you're tired of not having enough, right, to go take your family to that extra vacation you've been wanting to go, then pay close attention to this video all the way towards the end because I'm going to show you the different testimonials. My team members are winning, and so can you. These are people that had zero experience. They have never worked online. They follow my simple step-by-step training. They took action. And now they're making an extra $500 a week, an extra $1,000 a week, an extra $3,000 a month, right? And so this is for people that are ready to change their lives. If that is you, go to my website, go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today. Follow me on Snapchat, right? My Snapchat is Adri, ADRI _V as in Victor, 7, the number 7. Follow me on Snapchat so you can take a look how I'm traveling the world, right? And I show you this not to impress you, but to show you what is possible when you make a decision that you're going to become successful no matter what. You deserve it. Your family deserves it as well. So if you're ready to get rid of all your bullshit excuses, excuse my language, if you're ready to get rid of all the naysayers, then take action today, right? Get started at richmindsets.com. Send me a message on Facebook so I can introduce you to the community. We have over 2,300 team members having great success working from home. So again, if you're ready to change your life, take action today, and I'll see you at the top. Perfect. So I'm going to show you here that my team members are having success. As you can see, this is Ana Pineda. She made $125 in 3 days, right? I have Joshua here. He was able to take his day off and still made $75 on complete autopilot. Robin here, you can see the proof, actually earning $125 in one single day. And so at the end of the day, it's not really about how much I'm making, but how much my team members are actually making using their smartphone, right? This is another payment for $100 made on complete autopilot. And then we have Scott. He made a $100 commission while he was watching some training. So, like I said, these are real people just like you and me, right? I know there's a lot of people that are skeptical out there, but when you're hungry for success, you get rid of all the excuses and you stop doubting yourself and you start taking action. I can go on forever here. Carmen making a $100 commission. Kelly completely crushing it, over $1,300 in 1 week. So I'm helping people make $1,000 a week, right, by following my step-by-step training where I show you how to do one strategy once, right, coming at the highest level. I show you how to make do a strategy one time and then getting paid from it on a daily basis. Okay, I'm going to show you how much I made today. I've been out today pretty much shooting videos, but I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, that's an app, right? Business Track Mobile. I'm going to go ahead and just do that so you can see that it's actually an app. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to show you how much I've made today. Okay, today, it's loading. Today is, as you can see right there, Monday, June 26, 2017. That's my name, Adriana Villegas. I'm going to go ahead and show you $802 already today, okay? And I haven't even been using my smartphone to do business today. It's literally running for me 24/7. I can be out and about. I literally went out and hung out with my sister today, had some lunch, and still made $802, and it's only 5:33 p.m. The day is not even over yet. Again, if you're ready to get started, if you're ready to change your life, I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com. Also, follow me on Snapchat. You can follow me at Adri, that's ADRI_V, the number 7. Follow me on Snapchat and take a look and see. I'm a real person. I'm going to be traveling pretty soon. That's what I do. I love to travel. So if you're tired of struggling, if you're tired of not having enough, I'm going to invite you to take action today. Get access to the same strategies that have allowed me to make an extra $300, $500 a day and start changing your life. Other than that, I will see you at the top.